Hello everyone and welcome back to Web Creators. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own Ghibli images in just a matter of seconds. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's something you need to know. The features and tools we use in this video might get paid in the future, but in the present, at the time of recording, they were free. So now I'm going to give you a link in the description below. You're going to click on that and you'll be redirected to this page. You're going to click on this option. Then you're going to choose your photo and wait. So you will, so this type of box will show in the front, and it will take about a few minutes or maybe even a second.
A few moments later.
So now, as you can see, it has created an awesome image for us. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Bye.